Well, hopefully I am live right now, and if that's the case, I just want to talk about the human eye and its angular resolution. And I'm going to be comparing that to the curve calculator. So, if we look at the naked eye, we know that the naked eye is diffraction limited at 0.02. That means that at 0.02 degrees, the human eye can no longer resolve that information. In other words, we can't see it. That is our limitations of the human eye. So let's have a look at a few things. Let's have a look at Metabunk's Earth Curve Calculator. Here we have the geometric results for the curvature of the Earth. Now, if we have a distance of 3 miles, the geometric drop essentially is 6 feet. Now then, that is the curvature of the Earth results. But what happens if we put that into a angular resolution calculator and we work out its angular size? Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to change miles into feet, and if we convert 3 miles into feet, we get 15,840. Let's put that in the Earth curve calculator. 15,840. We give an object height that we're trying to look at of 6 feet. And well, what would you know? The degree that it comes out at is 0.02 degrees. Now then, call me skeptical. However, if you go back 300 or 400 years ago, most people's optics were limited to their eyeballs. Very few people had telescopes. In fact, telescopes were mainly used for scientists and stargazing and for looking at boats when you're on a boat. So very few people had the ability to actually check what you could see through a telescope. And so when they were trying to tell people that as far as we could see, the angle, this was the curvature of the Earth, well, no, guess what? Our eyeball can't see anything lower than 0.02 of a degree. So if that human at 6 feet tall is at 3 miles away, we cannot see it on a flat surface due to the limitations of our eyeball. And that's it. And I will see you in the next one.